What is up, everybody? I am Mumfy. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining. Today we are picking our 5 winners from the 500 plus thank you giveaway video. If you guys follow the directions in that video, you're entered for your chance to win one of these 5 shirts. Now remember, it is the cement gray TRD Pro Grill with Tacoma in the center, designed by myself. This is my way of saying thank you to each and every one of you. I hope that I'm bringing you guys value and that I've earned your subscription. Thank you so much. So, I got my phone here. We're going to be going to the YouTube comment picker. Now, I've already got the URL and the shirt filter, because this is how I am picking the winners, is to make sure that everybody has a fair chance, and if you entered in all the correct words, you'll be in. So here we go, filtering by shirt. Let's get our comments. We've got 47 comments that are actually eligible to win. So here we go. Pick number 1. Here's winner number 1. Joe Gottsill. Congratulations, you're the first winner. Be sure to either email me or DM me, so that way I can get the shirt out to you. Congratulations, Joe. All right, let's pick winner number 2. Winner number 2, Lee. I hope I said that right. Be sure to hit me up in a DM or in an email. I'll leave at the end of this video. Please reach out to me and let me know where I need to send this to. Thank you so much. Let's pick winner number 3. Johnny Ray Gonzalez. Congratulations. Hope I said that first name correctly. I hate butchering all your names out there, so I am sorry. But congratulations. You're winner number 3. Here, let's pick winner number 4. Well, Lee, you've already won, so let's pick another winner. Joe, you seem to be popping up as well. LT Grims 21. Hey man, appreciate your support. Thank you for entering and thank you for subscribing to the channel. You're winner number 4. Now, time for the 5th and final winner. Tacoma, Canada. You are the 5th winner. Thank you so much to each and every one of you. I'm looking forward to doing these at the 1,000 subscriber mark as well, and substantially later on down the line as well. So congratulations to our 5 winners. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Stay tuned for more videos. I've got more coming down the line, so thank you again. We'll catch you in the next video.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.